Lockheed Martin, the U.S. defense giant, is considering setting up an assembly line for the Special Operations Aircraft C-130J Super Hercules in India. Lockheed Martin already has a joint venture with Tata Advanced Systems Limited, the global source of tail assemblies for C-130J. European defense firm MBDA has unveiled an artificial intelligence-enabled tool designed to allow military units to see hidden targets. Dubbed as Ground Warden, it utilizes beyond line-of-sight technology to provide precise target detection capability even in challenging combat environments. Indian Navy is set to place an order for 4 Tapas drones built in India for maritime surveillance operations. During trials it managed to reach 28,000 feet altitude and fly for over 18 hours. Tapas drone can be used from small airfields in the island territories and mainland. The USS Theodore Roosevelt, a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, arrived at South Korean base signaling show of force amid escalating tensions on Korean peninsula. The arrival of USS Theodore Roosevelt demonstrates strong combined defense posture of the Allies and stern willingness to respond to advancing North Korean threats.